Hello, hi there. High blood pressure is a silent killer, quietly, relentlessly attacking your heart, brain, and kidneys day and night without you even realizing it. Don't ignore the subtle signs: dizziness, fatigue, a lingering headache. You may be gambling with your own health. Many only discover they have hypertension after a sudden stroke or unexpected heart failure. The most frightening part: you might feel absolutely nothing until it's too late. Take these 3 precious minutes, a sacred pause, for your body, your heart, and your inner peace. Find a position that feels truly comfortable. You may sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes. Place your hand over your chest or belly, wherever your breath feels most alive. And now, inhale slowly, deeply. Remember to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Inhale, I welcome the fresh breeze of a new morning. Exhale, I release all worries. Inhale, I am safe. Exhale, I am relaxed. Inhale, I let everything go. Exhale, I melt into this very moment. Inhale, I invite stillness. Exhale, I step away from all tension. Inhale, I feel love spreading through me. Exhale, I release what I can't control. Inhale, I am alive. Exhale, I am at peace. Inhale, light flows into every cell of my body. Exhale, I lay down every burden. Inhale, I am part of nature. Exhale, I am fully received. Inhale, I open to all good things. Exhale, I forgive myself. Inhale, I feel light as a cloud. Exhale, I send out gratitude. Inhale, I am renewing myself. Exhale, I surrender into gentleness. Inhale, I feel each beat of life. Exhale, I allow everything to be as it is. Inhale, I light a flame within. Exhale, I release the past. Inhale, I feel the flow of life. Exhale, I no longer hold on. Inhale, I am grounded. Exhale, I am soft. Inhale, I connect with my body. Exhale, I release my mind. Inhale, I feel complete. Exhale, I am free. Inhale, I am returning to myself. Now, bring your awareness to your heartbeat. No need to change a thing, simply feel it. Each beat, each gentle ripple, like a soft knocking from within. You are now allowing your nervous system to rest, your heart to soften, your blood vessels to gently open, and your blood pressure to return to its natural rhythm, calm, balanced, and steady. You've just offered your body a powerful message of love. I deserve to live in peace.